Hi, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm reorganizing all my art supplies. Let's start by emptying everything. And I'll give it a quick wipe. Oops, I forgot to empty this drawer. That's all I have. I tried to sort by category. Let's see it all together. I have a lot of unused stickers. I brought them because I would like to decorate the covers of my sketchbooks. Speaking of sketchbooks, here they are. None is finished, and some are not even unpacked or opened. You can see my drawings on Instagram, and in the small eye, you can find some of my drawings. I also have many types of paper: tracing paper, graph paper, grain paper, and canvases. I have some adhesive tape, but mainly masking tape. This box of Faber-Castell pencils was given to me as a gift. I really like it. I also sort the other pencils I have: watercolor pencils and non-watercolor pencils. I don't have much acrylic paint. I don't need many colors. Just the primary colors, white and black, are enough. I also have a few brushes, large and small, and I find this pouch very practical. I also need a cup to rinse the paint, a cloth to wipe them, and a palette. OMG, I still haven't opened that watercolor palette. I also have this watercolor kit that I bought but never used. I really need to take up watercolor painting again at this point. I was also given this kit, which I still haven't used. Yes, you can blame me. I have this palette of soft pastels that I used to use a lot, but that was before. And I still haven't opened my new charcoal pencils. I have some glitter, glue, and ribbon. I have far too many set squares and protractors. Tell me how many in the comments. Here are my essentials for drawing. I have 2 sets of felt tip pens that I'm going to sort through, test, and tidy away. I'll throw away the ones that don't work anymore, and any duplicate colors. I have several markers: watercolor markers, alcohol markers. I don't need to test them because I use them very often. A tip: make a summary of all your colors on a sheet of paper for better visibility. I'll put everything away and show you the result. Okay, I try to keep it simple. On top, there's the Faber-Castell pencil box. Underneath, I have a storage box, masking tape, adhesive tape, my drawing essentials, glitter, glue, and varnish for painting. Next to it, I put a few brushes in a pot. In the second part, there are sketchbooks, a set square, a protractor, a palette, and stickers. Next to it, I have all my colored pencils and felt tip pens. In this box, I have put the small tubes of acrylic paint. In the drawer, there are alcohol markers, watercolors, and pastels, and I slipped the bag with the rest of the brushes inside. And at the very bottom, I stored the various kits, canvases and papers, and large tubes of acrylic paint. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like or subscribe if you enjoy calm art videos. Take care.